In this video, I'll help you solve the issue with Adobe After Effects where the application either stops responding or freezes. It's a relatively simple one to fix, so let's just jump straight into it by changing some settings on our Windows computer. And we need to head over to the Start menu and search for Settings, and then tap on the Settings icon and come over to System from the left here. Inside of Display, and scroll all the way down till you find Graphics, and then come into Change Default Graphics Settings, and we need to ensure that Hardware Accelerated GPU is turned on, and then we can come back one window. And from this list of applications in here, we need to find Adobe After Effects. If you can't see it within this list like I can't, then just come over to Browse at the top here, and we need to locate the application, which is usually located inside of the C drive, inside of Program Files, inside of the Adobe folder, and you should see the application Adobe Media Encoder 2024. And we can double click on that, come all the way down to find the executable file, and we just need to double click on Adobe Media Encoder.exe, and now we have it added to the list. Just come into Options and make sure High Performance is selected from here, and then you can press Save to save these changes. And whilst we're in the Settings menu, it's a good idea to come down to Windows Update from the left here, and then just press this Check for Updates button. It's not showing for me at the moment because I need to restart my computer. But just ensure that you're running the latest version of Windows, as sometimes outdated software can cause compatibility issues with our applications. Then you can head out of this window, and next thing we're going to do is come to the Start menu and search for Control Panel, and tap on the Control Panel icon. And inside of here, you need to make sure View By is set to Large Icons. Then come inside of Power Options, and make sure we have the High Performance Power Mode selected from here. You can then head out of this window, and the last thing we're going to do on our Windows computer is update our graphic card drivers, which we can do by heading over to the Start menu and searching for Device Manager. Then tap on the Device Manager tab, and in this list you should see Display Adapters, which we need to expand. Then locate your graphics card from the list, and simply right click on it and select Update Driver, and then we can search automatically for drivers. You can also head over to your graphic card manufacturer's website, just to fully ensure that you are running the latest driver, and then we can head out of these windows, and then we're going to launch Adobe After Effects. Now once you're inside Adobe After Effects, we need to come to New Composition, and if you are getting this not responding or freezing issue, then what we can do is try lower the resolution. So just follow the same settings as me, and inside of the width we're going to put 1280, followed by 720 for the height, and then press OK to create the composition. Now come over to Edit, inside of Preferences, come over to the Display tab, and uncheck this Hardware Accelerate Composition option. Then we can come over to Previews from the left here, and we need to change the zoom quality to faster. And also color management quality, we're going to set that to faster too. Then come over to Media and Disk Cache. First we're going to actually clear our database and cache by clicking this button down here. And what we're going to do then is increase this maximum disk cache size. I'd recommend setting this to around 70 gigabytes. But of course make sure you actually have this available on your disk drive before setting this. You can then hit OK to save all these changes, and the last thing we're going to do is inside of this preview window, come over to 4 in this window, and we're going to change this to half instead, and this will reduce the quality in the preview window, but it will improve the performance of After Effects. And that's it guys, hopefully by following all of these steps, that's now fixed any not responding issues you're getting. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.